Boston JerkFest, blessings and respect. Nicolo, Natalie, the whole Boston JerkFest team. It's Amaziyah the Great. Representing with poetry. Maximum respect to all you wonderful fans who turn out to support this great historic event. I am a proud Jamaican and I'm going to drop a poem called Off to America. Don't play it yet. I have a book out, it's on Amazon called Don't Cry. I may have two to give away to the audience, but I'll tell you when. Mother, why did you send me off to America? The question I asked. Her reply was, child, you are talented, go find a new start. Boston JerkFest. She never liked me get a life and she want me get a better life. Jamaica crime rate escalate every day, death arise. Make a choice, migrate and get a wife. Me link Uncle borrow for some money, he says see I go set it right. Make everybody nice. Mission bought me my ticket the next day me get a flight. Why did you send me off to America at a time so cold? I've come to realize all that glitter isn't gold. Not everybody kind as I encounter large times. Tears stream down my face as I write these lines in these poems. My love my picnic them bother, me see my kids smile. Progression on my mind, the Rocky Mountains I still climb. Give God thanks for life, precisely I'm still fine. Boston JerkFest. I miss Jamaica body, the warm Caribbean sunshine. Not like we can't survive in the US, of opportunities here. But I will not be fooled, racism still here, plus people dying everywhere. I miss my good old Jamaican food, GMO, waste of time. Traveling state to state, great, but me not in the right state of mind. I can't meditate great if I have a space of mind. Some read words of wisdom, so nonsense to penetrate my mind. Why not gonna send me off to America where more problem evolve? This woman pretending to be authentic, me find out that she's a real fraud. She said me not, yeah, play it. This one is called A Fight. Boston JerkFest. Someone said a great look out and check my book out, don't cry. Lori, part of the poetry, maximum love and respect, all the wonderful fans. Bump it up some more, please. In this mind of mine, I took some time to find, more time to be fine. As my thoughts incline and climb on high, I refuse to let Eden drain energy from I. Monsters are creeping, thinking I'm sleeping, I'm fully awake, 4 decades bleeding. Fighting while smiling, even while I'm bleeding, the journey continues, even while I'm bleeding. You'll never make it, I know you're speaking, their fiction is sick and misleading. Low. Monsters and zombies trying to confront me. I am greater than the thoughts, tell them precisely. The journey continues, there are many others just like me. Next one I'm gonna drop real quick, it's called Nothing Wrong. Rasta play it low. There's absolutely nothing wrong in you asking the wrong questions. What makes it correct is when you've been provided with the right answers. Nothing wrong in you making mistakes in this case. What makes it great is when you learn from your errors and elevate. Penetrate and meditate on the great things you desire in life. Separate yourself from people who want to see you thrive. Realize life is no bed of roses or a smooth pathway. There are earnings to overcome, there are bitterness and harsh days. There are the moments of sadness and grief, and there are the moments of happiness when you feel like you want to laugh all day. During your first heartbreak, you probably yelled at yourself in the mirror, I can't take this no more. No joking, perhaps you be smoking or consuming alcoholic substances like you've never done before. It's like your entire world keep crumbling. While you're crumbling, why have you done this to me? Nothing wrong in crying, expressing your emotions. No need for fightings or commotions. We were educated poorly about love. Ignorance is like an addiction that will mess up like drugs. What makes it wrong is when you allow your negative thoughts to become your actions. So think first and allow time to heal you. Nothing wrong in giving spaces or letting go if it now work out for me the best. Think about it, probably that can cause the stress. Nothing wrong in you seeking advice or counsel when you really need help. Someone really loves you, don't continue to blame yourself. And after you overcome the dark days, you'll be the stronger version of self. And you will learn to love and appreciate your very own existence. In life we encounter challenges, tackle something new. Nothing wrong in taking risks as entrepreneurs do. If no one believes in what you're passionate about, at least you believe in you. And that's where it all started, for your dreams to become true. Nothing wrong if you fail at first, it's all a part of the game. worst as long as you don't give up, try harder again. You will prevail with persistence, my friends. Winning is a must. Boston JerkFest. I am Amaziyah the Great. In God I put my trust. I'ma do one for our children to know. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential, time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You'll encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop, aim higher and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey, yeah, I made mistakes. Still, I elevate and stay awake. Fueling my mind with positive energy, will vibe and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and songs birds make. People businessmen are discussing, I mix up and I partake. My heart aches, I can't take liars and pretenders all fake. That's why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fearless among all human race. I notice this space when I live trace, I will never disgrace. My people for position rather than pull you to this kiss. It's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics and religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstandings, mistakes are the reason for your failure. All it Rasta, rise and surprise them with a bliss face. Next round. Rasta, hit that. Hit that. Next round. You're saying both got bronze in London and some saying sell out. One respect, sure respect, our history was created. America bowed down to a legend, honor greatly appreciated. Not just locally, but globally, Jamaicans did it. Keep your negative remarks to yourself, don't even get close up with it. Be proud of who you are, I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. The problem I encountered every day with my own race. But mine and envy smiling at my own face. Sneakily, creepily, wanna take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance, frown face. Lovers gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state. Pensive in my thoughts, my troubling zone space. My girlfriend wanting to flex with me, vex with me, so she want time alone space. I try to get her attention focus on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate, but display more hate. Anger escalate too much alarming crime rates. Your moral slowly deteriorates and that concern me. What kind of society gonna exist in about 2030? Social media is like cancer, feeding on your souls. Implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you losing what you own. Don't lose yourself, be yourself, remember you're not alone. So walk one, can I get some love now? Oh sorry, I guess you love your phones. Most of us don't understand how essential life is. We're still gonna be a time to know what time really is. If only one understood how powerful your mind is. Perhaps you comprehend how nonsensical hype is. Marcus Garvey say unite. So why we separate? Why we still a fight? Why so many hate? Boston JerkFest, the religion and politician make my people elevate. Like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I got tired to see me face. Tell them precisely. Like I said, look out and check my book out. It's called Don't Cry by Reggae, Kirkland. Next track real quick. It's a pleasure being here. Natalie, Nicole and the whole team. Keep doing what you're doing. DJ Smooth. Big up yourself in every aspect. Tell them precisely. I'm going to say no to domestic abuse, no to domestic violence. A lot of females going through a lot of hard times in life. And it's quite sad what a female of young encounter and endure. This one is called Pam. Boston JerkFest. Pam was sad and sulky because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully plus a so selfish guy. She was somewhat bewildered as tears rained from her weeping eyes. Her relationship was a smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, hey, if you ever leave, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who'll make you and I'll break you, so go on if you wanna try. The nosy neighbor from next door shouted somebody, call police. She was by her usual spot at the zinc fence where she peeped. Mary was too busy taking a selfie to share a Facebook post. Suddenly start recording and virally shared it most. The preaching pastor came praying, but counseling never worked. Pam ran away the following day when Roy was out for work. She later found Dick, who gave her firm attention. She enjoyed making love, but oops, no protection. Few months later, she was pregnant. No baby father was around. Her mind went googling, but Dick was never found. Billy shortly took her up and offered for her to be his bride. She was more than delighted and promised never to leave his side. He thought he was the baby's father. Happiness displayed evidently in his eyes. Billy felt silly when he found out it was so, and later committed suicide. Pam never had good education. She sold back juice to make ends meet. Few months after she gave birth, she was selling her body on the streets. Life journey got intricate. She prayed and said, oh God, I can't take no more. A year after she bought the car, some people call her swore. She later furthered her education because she knew she wanted to soar. Boston JerkFest, can you guess and tell me who is that janitor at her cell-phone clothing store? I'ma close off with one more. Maximum big respect, Cat Core and the whole Third World family. This one is for all the females here and all you females over there in social media. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Precisely Great. Ladies, you are remarkable. You are strong. You're one of God's greatest gifts. Follow him and you'll never go wrong. Ladies, you are smart. You are noble. Pay keen ears to these words I told you. You see, the skies were overcast and then torrential rain for days. Throughout your darkest moments, you experience pain for days. Cold and bitter, angry and confused. Be cautious with your steps before you make the wrong moves. And if you're feeling a bit empty right now, somewhat unsatisfied, fret not. God already sent an angel to be your travel guide. Ladies, you'll be okay? Just know that God is real. After you overcome the sophisticated phase, will be the strongest you ever feel. Ladies, you are remarkable. You are sweet. So trample all hypocrites beneath your feet. Be patient and pray more. You'll be okay. Forget about them who not believe in you. You've got no time to play. Ladies, you are fighters, survivors who resist to quit. You're loved. You're goddesses. You all deserve lifetime happiness. Boston JerkFest, is a pleasure being here. And like I said, I have 2 books to give away. So the first 2 people can come right here, right now. I got 2 of my books to give away. Without no delay. They just move maximum love and respect in every aspect. You know the journey continue. We never stop. Alright. Thank you very much. Boston, love you. Nicola, thanks very much on the whole team. So before I give away the book, I need to know something. If you can tell me how long now since Third World around the road, how much years? You're supposed to know that something that if you follow the whole reggae thing.
A long time. I would say 30 years.
30? No, say it every year. Say it many people every year.
35 years.
Somebody give you the answer. Well, we're going to give it to you still, because them say 50. 50 years. Third World maximum love and respect. I'll sign it as soon as we exit the stage. Amaziyah the Great is the name. Look out for my short movie. The Rastaway see I play the drums. We just did a short movie. Played in 48-hour film competition in Rhode Island. And so far it's going on good. It's called the Jamaican Poet Movie. Look for the trailer on YouTube and support it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Precisely Great. DJ Smooth. Tell him precisely the journey continue. We never stop.
Can I get a round of applause for him, please? You guys can't tell me you didn't enjoy that. That was awesome. Right about now, we have...
Wasn't the performance so far been great? Yes! All these are local artists, and of course we have Amaziyah, which is from New England as well. Our DJs are great. You know, it's really important that this is a community event, and that's who we are. And so I just want to thank all our sponsors, all of you coming in the rain, but keeping in us, all our vendors. I mean, it smells so good. It tastes so good out there. So thank you so much. Looking forward, if you want to volunteer to be part of us, want to join our crew, just reach out. Thank you for the chef demo. Thank you for everyone here.